Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about facial serums, baby. Guys, if there's any skincare item in this entire world that I swear by, that I live by, that's my holy grail of skin essentials, it's facial serums, without a doubt. Hands down, okay? Quick backstory, you guys. A couple of years ago, before I started using facial serums, my skin was so bad. Like, so freaking bad. Like, horrible. I mean, I was suffering from acne. I couldn't do nothing about it. I was like, when on earth is this adult acne gonna leave? Like, when? When? Nothing I did fixed it. And I was definitely not about to go talk to a dermatologist and then get charged an astronomical amount. I said, no, no, no. I'm gonna just figure it out on my own. Well, a couple of years ago, a coworker of mine introduced me to the beautiful world that is facial serums. Ever since then, I literally have never turned back, not once. It has completely changed my face. I don't break out unless I eat really sugary things, and I will. My skin is just more even toned. Everything about it has changed, everything. So guys, today I'm here to share with you the serums that I swear by. I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about them and what they do, why I use them, what they've done for me, and kind of give you guys some insight in case you're new to the whole serum thing. So hopefully this can help somebody out there who's struggling with acne or their skin complexion or is just like not liking their skin right now. Then this video might help you out. If you guys are interested in seeing the facial serums that I live for, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off talking about a serum that's a pretty big one that I'm sure everybody and their grandmother has heard of, and that is none other than retinol. As you can see, I use a ton of this. I have another one coming in the mail, so you better hurry up because this brand that I'm using is by Enchanted Waters, which I actually get off of eBay, and I'm pretty sure you can get off of Amazon, but you can find retinol pretty much anywhere. For those of you who don't know, retinol is vitamin A, and what it does is it acts as an anti-ager. So retinol basically helps to stimulate the production of new cells, something that kind of declines as we age. Our body just naturally stops replenishing new cells, which results in looking older. Retinol helps in aging and hyperpigmentation, so it basically kind of evens out your skin tone, and it definitely helps in blemish scars, something that I struggled with a lot because, like I said, I had acne problems, and me as an individual, I can't just let acne sit on my face. I'm literally like all over. Like, I cannot keep my hands off my face, which results in more acne because of the oil on your fingers. So it was just a really bad time. So yeah, this definitely helps if you guys have like acne scars or any like darker spots on your face. This is the go-to. Retinol, if you don't use retinol, you need to start using retinol for real. I use it right before bed. I just like sleep and let it do its work. I honestly, truly feel like I looked older than I do now, like 5 years ago before I started this routine. And now I feel like I look my youngest, as weird as that sounds. It definitely helps with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles that already do exist. It'll definitely help to smooth it out a little bit. It's not like a miracle worker or anything like that. It's not like if you have wrinkles or facial lines all over your face and you put this on, it's not gonna just magically go away, but it does help, especially if you use it for a long period of time. It definitely is the anti-aging serum to go to. Okay guys, the next serum I want to talk to you guys about is vitamin E, and this particular one that I have, I did grab at Marshall's, and it is a repairing toner and serum. So for those of you who don't know, basically a toner, it's kind of like a cleanser for your face. You don't wash it off or anything, you keep it on your skin, but it just removes any of the excess like dirt or clogged up things that are stuck in your pores, and it kind of just cleans your face and makes it a little more refreshed. This is both a toner and a serum. So what vitamin E does, it acts as an antioxidant. It is very, very good for your face. If you have acne scars, it definitely will help it clear more quickly. And what I noticed is if I do break out and, like I said, like put in work and make my face look all red and irritated and even like break skin, this is perfect for that because it will actually help it heal quicker. I just used this last week. I had a stubborn pimple because I've been doing nothing but eating Halloween treats. I like went to town on my face and it looked horrible. The next morning I was looking at it like, oh my god, what did I do? And I used the vitamin E right away for a couple days and it was just like gone, like it never even happened in my face. So I do believe in its healing benefits, and it also helps to protect against free radicals, which definitely damage your skin. And I mean, we're all exposed to free radicals every single day of our life, so there's really nothing we could do about that except try to help and protect our skin. I do want to get the actual oil eventually. That is next on my list, but yeah, so this is like a toner serum, so I think this is kind of cool. I wanted to try it out to get a little bit of both. So next up, it's very similar. It is a toner serum as well that I got from Marshall's, but this one's vitamin C. Vitamin C is my life. It helps to obviously brighten the skin. It actually helps to like soften the appearance of those fine lines in your face or wrinkles that might be forming. It also helps to prevent them from forming, which is a big one for me because I know right here is where I get like my smile lines. If I look super closely, I do see fine lines forming, and maybe like a little bit up here, nothing cray, but I do like to take precaution and try to prevent whatever I can, you know? Why wouldn't you? I do definitely feel like vitamin C brightens your face. Like without a doubt, I see a difference in my face. It doesn't look as dull or tired. It just kind of like brightens it up, and the smell, it obviously smells like citrus. So this I use in the morning time because I do like the smell of citrus in the morning, and it just kind of wakes me up. It makes me feel alive. And what's interesting is vitamin C is a key component in producing collagen, which obviously gives us plump, younger looking skin. So without vitamin C, you cannot make collagen, and that ain't good because we all need collagen. That is what keeps your skin's elasticity and overall just a younger looking appearance. So vitamin C is kind of a godsend. And guys, I love vitamin C so much that I do have it in the oil version, and I love this, guys. It really helps to just brighten my skin, hydrate it, and this one has rosehip oils in it. From now on, I am going to try to buy my serums in a dark container because it is best to not have them in direct sunlight. So the lighter the container, the more likely and faster it will turn and go bad. So if you're gonna buy serums, I'm suggesting buy them in dark containers. So the vitamin C oil, I actually, believe it or not, I've used this over makeup just to kind of give a dewy look, and it definitely achieves the dewy look. I love it. Like, I'm gonna put it on right now, why not? And it doesn't like make your face feel oily. That's what I like. It just kind of like, oh, it smells so good. It just seeps into your, oh, it really sets my face nice actually. And I love knowing it's just something natural I'm putting on my face, so. Okay guys, so the next serum I wanna talk to you about, one of my absolute favorites. I mean, they're all my favorite, I can't go without one. It is none other than the hyaluronic acid, okay? And what that does is it basically helps to lock in moisture in your face. It helps prevent moisture loss, and it just kind of draws moisture to your skin and just keeps it there. Just like the others, it does help with the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. So this is definitely something I would suggest to those who have very dry skin. This will definitely help hydrate it. I truly believe this helps with anti-aging because you're basically locking in the moisture. If your skin's dry, it's just gonna crack. That's just how it works. So keep your skin hydrated, hyaluronic acid. I do want to mention one last thing to you guys. Thank you to MABOX for sending this over my way. This is a vitamin C serum that they gifted to me, and let me tell you something about this. I'm so happy to be introduced to this brand because this has everything I need in a serum right here. This is 20% vitamin C, and it has hyaluronic acid along with vitamin E in it. So I'm literally in my glory. This is like a 3-in-1 serum, and like I said before, I like that it comes in a dark glass bottle. That is how I'm gonna be purchasing my bottles from now on. Now I know the secret behind the dark bottle. So yeah, I have been using this for the past week, and I love it. I've been using this every single night. And what I love about it, guys, is the dropper is different. It's very different compared to other droppers. Like, this has a very rounded tip that I like, but it's just rounder and just feels softer. Every other dropper I've ever seen has that like weird point to it, which is cool, nothing wrong with that, but this was just definitely unique and it kind of stuck out to me, but I absolutely love it. It's just like 3 different serums in one, and I will definitely continue using this. When I run out, I'm gonna get another one because I like it. I like it a lot. Whew. So yeah, guys, I am like exhausted right now. I feel like I just like made a huge speech, which I kind of did. Yeah, guys, that is it. Those are the serums slash toners that I use on my skin and that I swear by. So guys, if you have tried any of these out yourself, I would love to know what you think about them. What did it do for you? Did it make a huge difference in your skin? A combination of all these has just kind of created a miracle for my face, and I'll never go back. So yeah, guys, that is it, and I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys learned a little something. Maybe you want to try some of the serums out for yourself. I'll have everything linked down below in case you're interested in those particular serums. I'm still learning about skincare every single day. I'm always looking for new things. I'm always doing my research. There's so many other ones that I want that aren't listed here, but these are just my forever serums. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. So yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing what facial serums I use every single day religiously, and what I